how to download and play Sims 4 on PC or laptop. So if you want to download and play Sims 4 on PC or laptop, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'll be here with Chrome browser. You can open up your browser, and from here you can go for the new tab and search for Steam, and then go for the first search. And from here, if you have not installed Steam application yet, then you need to go for install Steam, and you need to install your Steam application. Once you are installed, now you can open up your Steam, and here make sure to log in or sign into your account. Enter your account name on the first blank, and then you need to enter your password on the next blank, and click on sign in. And here you'll get a code to the email address that you have just used while creating your account. So you need to simply open up your mail, and here you can go for Gmail, and you need to enter the code. So here you will get the code, copy the code, paste it here, and once you've pasted, you will be signed in or logged into your account. And once you've logged in, here you will have the search, right? Click on the search and then search for Sims 4, and here you will have the Sims 4, right? Click on that, and from here you can scroll down, and here you will have play game. So click on play game, and that's how you can play your Sims 4 for free. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.